Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our subject is school community and teacher. It is lecture number 31 and we will discuss about technology and jobs. The outlines of the lectures are future of technology, demand of technology, trends in technology, roles and skills, technology and jobs. Future of technology. With data growing faster than ever before, the future of technology is even more interesting than what is happening now. By 2020, at least a third of all data will pass through the cloud, and within 5 years, there will be the over 50 billion smart connected devices in the world. According to Forbes, by 2020, IoT technology will be 95% of the electronics for new product designs. And by 2050, it is expected to have everything connected to the cloud and to the internet. According to the Business Insider, space tourism could be feasible in 2050, but likely only for very healthy, and it would be definitely wealthy for the people. Nearly every business uses business systems, and that need is expanding. All large corporations rely heavily on technology. Businesses need business systems and people to design, develop, and manage them, becoming more fundamental to many careers. Advances in related fields such as computer vision and the Internet of Things means IoT have also helped accelerate the development of artificial intelligence, very broad in scope and applicability. Demand of technology. Top trending technologies are artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotic process automation or RPA, edge computing, virtual reality and augmented reality, cybersecurity, blockchain, Internet of Things. So, how does technology affect demand? Shifts in a supply curve are usually the results of advances in technology that reduce the input cost of production. Technological advances that improve production efficiency will shift a supply curve to the right. The cost of production goes down and consumers will demand more of the product at lower prices. The college pipeline is a trickle. Baby boomers are retiring. Organizations need help. Salaries are rising. Promotions are becoming more frequent. Organizations need both administrative and technical support. People who understand how education and system interact. People who understand how to develop educational programs and systems. So, if we see that what is IT trends, hyper automations, blockchain, artificial intelligence, security, distributed cloud, and autonomous things drive disruption and create opportunity in this year's strategic technology trends. Human augmentations conjures up visions of futuristic cyborgs, but humans have been augmenting parts of the body for hundreds of years. So, if we see that now in 2020, what are the trends of IT? So, green pressure in 2020, consumers move from eco status to eco shame. Brand avatars, human brands take powerful new form. Metamorphic design. Consumers demand relevance as a service. The burnout, smart brands rush to have those burned by the pressures of modern life and also civil media. So here, if we see that what are the largest trend in information technology, like shared services, enterprise resource planning, integrate business functionalities including finance or accounting, sales or marketing, human resource or payroll, purchasing, manufacturing, etc. E-business like Amazon, online checking, automation of business process, for example, direct deposit workflow. So cloud computing, that is one of the biggest trends that have emerged during the past year is that of cloud computing. Mobile apps, big data and analytics, automation, artificial intelligence, smart technology, virtual reality, augmented reality, that is the most top trends in nowadays. Now, what is technology trends? Artificial intelligence, we all know that, and machine learning, this is top trend of technology today. The Internet of Things, IoT, wearable and augmented humans, big data and augmented analytics, intelligent spaces and smart places, blockchains and distributed ledgers, cloud and edge computing, digitally extended realities. The empowered edge, practical blockchain and human augmentations are just a few of the biggest trend in 2020 that will create the largest opportunities over the next decade according to the research from Gartner. So the top emerging technologies for 2020, these are few like artificial intelligence that claims the top spot on the list. 5G offers improvements over 4G such as low latency, intelligent power consumptions and high device density. IoT, Internet of Things, serverless computers, biometric, augmented reality, virtual reality, blockchain, robotics. Security and biotechnologies, for example, retinal scans, fingerprint authentications, emergency management, for example, disaster planning, wireless initiative. So, if we see that technology jobs or roles, for example, like software developer, technical careers like software developer, technical consultant, designers, architect, technology specialist, VP, technology chief tech officer. So, business analyst examines an organization. This is a part of business to determine how to better achieve goals. Computer service technician, cybersecurity specialist, data analyst, data scientist, database administrator, database analyst, hardware engineer. So these are the examples. So what are there in technology? So the best technology careers, they are software developer, IT managers, web developers, database administrators, information security analyst, computer system analyst, computer network architect. So here, what is the role of IT? So there are different roles of critical IT. That IT critical IT role to focus your hiring efforts, like hardware technicians, help desk analyst and help desk support, network administrators or engineer, business analyst, IT project manager, systems engineer manager, IT director, vice president, CIO or CTO. So which technology have more job opportunities? According to recruiters and career site experts, cybersecurity engineers, this is more for CXOs, artificial intelligence, machine learning engineers, full stack developer, data scientist, Python developer, Java developer, JavaScript developer, and cloud engineers, they are having more jobs nowadays. System analyst, project manager, VP operations or applications, quality assurance manager, IT manager, chief information officers. So this is IT admin careers. What do they do? Developers design codes and test objects and programs. The network engineers, they design, deploys and troubleshoots local area networks. System analyst, they identifies and documents business requirements and design system flow, functionality and graphical user interface. Then comes technology skills. There are some basic technology skills that all educators should now have, like word processing skills, spreadsheet skills, database skills, electronic presentation skills, web navigation skills, website design skills, email management skills, digital cameras. So, there are some examples of technical skills like technical skills includes programming languages, common operating systems, software proficiency, technical writing, project management and data analysis. Here there are different skills and traits and incorporate our IT value like problem solvers. They teach support to project hurdles. Analytical or abstract thinkers, the businesses process re-engineering. Leadership, they guide other through adversity, lead projects, teams, departments, divisions. And planning and vision, if they have skills, then they prioritize and fund projects. And practical or pragmatic, so support things that help business, ensure match between IT and business needs. Are goal oriented or focused, they manage complex projects. Innovative, they means they can create, learn and apply new technologies. Self motivated or ambitious, so they hungry to learn new things. And if ones have ability to communicate, so this is required for clarify requirements and expectations. And team player, work with team of specialists. IT skills are enablers. Finance and accounting, sales and marketing, human resource, accounting, purchasing, manufacturing. This is all what related to the IT systems, data and infrastructure. Programming, web and app development, at the heart of any tech product or digital services is coding. Digital business analysis, digital design and data visualization, data project management, digital product management, digital marketing, social media, data science and data analyst. What are IT skills examples? Like operating systems, like Windows and Mac OS, Office suites like Microsoft Office, G Suites, presentation software, PowerPoint, Keynotes, spreadsheets means Excel, Google spreadsheets, etc. Communication and collaboration tools like Slack, Skype, etc. Accounting software like QuickBooks, FreshBooks, Xero, etc. And what skills should an IT person have? And now the soft skills means communication, organization, analytical abilities, creativity, project management, perseverance, problem solving, resourcefulness. So there are different top skills graduate recruiters wants, that commercial awareness. So this is about knowing how a business or industry work and what makes a company tick. Communication, teamwork, negotiation and persuasion, problem solving, leadership, organization, and perseverance, perseverance and motivations. Technology future. Did you know what? The world is growing and changing. Information is doubling. Many jobs, technologies, and problems don't exist yet. Myth 1 and 2. The first myth is that there are no IT jobs, and the second is IT related educational degrees are worthless. With data growing faster than ever before, the future of technology is even more interesting than what is happening now. By 2020 and a current scenario, at least a third of all data will pass through the cloud. And within 5 years, there will be over 50 billion smart connected devices in the world. According to Forbes, by 2020, IoT technology that will be in 95% of electronics for new product designs. If we see the top trending technologies, that now artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, edge computing, virtual reality and augmented reality, cyber security, blockchain, internet of things, these are coming now. So that's why we can say that IoT has a lot of jobs. Now, reality. Technology jobs are hot. Which type of jobs are so hot? Like biomedical engineers, uh, network system and data communication analyst, home health aides, personal and home care aides, financial examiners, medical scientist, except uh, epidemiologist, and physician assistant, skin care specialist, bio chemist and biophysicist, athletic trainers, physical therapist aides, dental hygienist, veterinary technologists and technicians, dental assistants, computer software engineers and applications. And salaries may go even higher if current trends continue, that is, decreased enrollment, significant job growth. So, there will soon be a shortfall of adequately skilled IT labor. Demand for labor will outstrip supply, putting further upward pressure on salaries. So, this is the same thing that happened during the dot com boom, when Visa significantly increased to salaries for critically skilled IT labor. So there are different countries that have a lot of job opportunities, like South Korea as Asia's third largest economy. South Korea topped the list as one of the best places to work abroad. Then Spain, the competition for high paying jobs in Spain is fierce. So you better brush up on your Palaver Plus. Then Italy, then Australia, then USA, then England, then France, then Canada. So these are the topmost country where the economy is strong and where you can earn better. The third myth is that all IT related jobs are getting sourced offshore. Some jobs will go overseas, like some basic jobs. For example, some programming help desk will go overseas, while some programming is going offshore. Integrating and testing functions remain onshore. Highly skilled jobs and jobs that relate to the company's core company competencies or product will stay. And global companies may outsource to the US. Then some relevant degrees. So here are some best technology careers, like software engineers, software developers, IT managers, web developer, database administrator, information security analyst, computer system analyst, computer network architect. So if we say that which degree is the best for IT field, so minimum bachelor degrees in computer science, software engineering, or a related field, master's degree in computer science or advancement. So by writing code, computer programmers implement the programs designed created by software developers. Experience, continuous education, and certifications provide a competitive advantage. And if the technical skills are required, then operating system like Windows or Unix, databases, for example, Oracle, SQL, programming languages, for example, ASP, C++, Java, then enterprise systems like Oracle, PeopleSoft, SAP. Then get some experience. So there are some tips getting into IT with zero experience, like re-examine and apply your past experience to the IT industry, get industry certifications, and then your degree in another field may be a huge asset. Be open to starting at the bottom. Don't forget the power of networking. Teach yourself relevant tech degrees, tech skills. Look for crossover positions, and we can help you open the door to an IT career. The highest paying jobs are the for those with experience, like co-ops, internships, part-time jobs, volunteering, students group or hobbies. So the best experiences will expose you to the type of work that you would like to do after graduation. And if we come to the summary of this, the IT career offers tremendous opportunity, excitement and satisfaction, high pay and rapid advancement, flexibility in career path, new technology every day, never gets old. The world is changing. Jobs, technologies, problems doesn't exist yet, and IT careers can retain appeal over. So this was all about this. Hope that you have enjoyed and you have understood each and everything. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.